morning, dear sir and my lovely friends. I am here to say something about my small life. I am Abdis Kumar. I am from Andoli. Now I am living in Saharsa. About my qualification, I have done 10th from Utkarvit Madhya Vidyalaya Maheskot with 78.6% marks. Now I am doing 11th from RM College with science streams. About my family, there are 11 members in my family. My father's name is Mr. W. Kumar. He is a good businessman. My mother's name is Lita Devi. He is a housemaker. I have 3 siblings. I am the second child of my parents. About my hobbies. My hobbies are dancing and reading books. I am to become a DSP. About my favorites. My favorite food is lady's finger. My favorite hero is Taylor Shroff. Thank you for listening me.